Okay, so if you hear things crashing, it's pretty windy and we are expecting a storm. So it's been made known to me that if I don't do this soon, I probably won't be doing it at all. And what I'm showing you here is something I call a swipe. Excuse me, a sweep. Similar, but not the same. Anyway, I kind of like these colors. I'm not using that exact same size. We're doing a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I haven't done one for a long time. I'm thinking that I'm probably going to use my palette knives, but my spatulas have come in handy too. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this. I'd kind of like to do a dirty pour flip cup, but the way I usually do it is with, there we go, a container and spoon it. So maybe that's what I'll do. We'll just go through all the motions, and I'm going to spread some white paint because I can. Leave it in a big goopy area. I hope it doesn't dry too quickly because I kind of did that out of sequence. Usually I'd make up my paint first. And usually I'd use a bigger spatula too. But the brain's not fully charged today. Camera batteries are. The brain's just a little not charged today. So I guess the whole point to that is quick. I've got some of this color and I really like that color, so I had a plan. I'm going to give that a little spritz of silicone, and then I'm going to give it a little white. That is so weird that that's coming out double. Okay, well, never mind. I'm going to give it a little pink. Very little, evidently. Okay. I'm just going to use colors I like right now. And I've really liked the way this dark blue looks and everything. And that's probably more than I need. But that never stopped me before, so it's not going to stop me this time either. That's a lot of paint. Okay, so let me think about this for a minute. Minute's over. And my favorite color in there won't hurt me. That'll be cool, I think. So, I guess we'll find out. Whoa, there goes the gold. I guess trying to send me a message. Okay, let's have some of that. I wanted some orange in there too. I guess the bottom line is I don't have to use anything I don't want to. A little more of that. I seldom use these particular cups to scoop out of, but now that I remember I'm scooping, yeah, it is one of those days. I'm just going to keep throwing a few things in there, and we'll scoop. Okay, so I added some white. Let's do that with a bigger spatula. A nice thick layer. Freshen what we've got up there a little bit. We've got all kinds of stuff on the canvas, and I am going to scrape that edge off. Actually, I'm going to scrape that edge on. Why not? I don't always add white paint, but this time I just have a feeling that it's the right thing to do. And I always add something afterwards to finish up my negative spaces. Let's do that side too. I set a timer, so I actually know when time's up. I'm going to wipe that spatula off so I can use it again for the black that I'm going to put on the bottom half. And there it is, the black. I was inspired this morning by Ann Osborne and Nikki Birch. Just needed a little incentive to get out here before the storm came. Why not? The videos are only 20 minutes. It's not like it's a lifetime or anything. I've done these split pieces before with the black on one side and the white on the other, but not for a while. I've been enjoying my swiping extremely. And this is sort of like, because it's been so long, it's sort of like doing something new again. I'm going to wipe that off, just in case I need it for any reason, rather than putting it in the bucket. Now, I like those colors, but I want some purple. There we go. Now I'm happy. I said that optimistically. And my torch is right handy. Why don't we take what we've got, and I'll put a little lid on that for right now. Oh, I'm loving that. I like spooning a lot. I always have. They made me call it scooping, not spooning. And I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna go find an edge catcher. And even a small edge catcher is better than no edge catcher. Usually they're bigger than that. So I'm gonna put it against my edge. Let it roll up. Squeeze it back. I think it must be time to turn that around. I'm liking this. Good colors. Different colors. Different is good. Press that against the other edge. See if we can catch this quick enough while it's wet so that the torching might make some cells. I only put a very small amount of silicone in the bottom of this. My temptation is to let all of that paint that wants to come off right there, come off right there. Give it a bit of a wipe, drop it down. Put some back in. Why not? Here's my spatula. I like that orange piece right there. I wonder if I'm going to get to keep that or not. Just to break up the edge. Make it feel a little more organic to me. Do something different. Put my edge catcher right into the bucket because I'm not sure that was worth keeping. And at least I know where there is one I can wipe off quickly. Okay, so I'm liking that. Never hurt my feelings to add a little something something where I wanted to. And I don't have nearly enough of that pink to make me happy yet. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm inclined just do some tipping, see what I want to do. The majority of the body of this has already done quite a bit of its tipping. I don't want to destroy that white negative space completely. Everything's moving along nicely. Oops. There's nothing to keep me manipulating paint anywhere I want right now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play. And you can watch. Just because they're not my usual colors. Or shapes at this point. I know I have some white paint on that, but I also know most generally black and white paint together create some cells. I want something that's a lot different than what I usually do. And that seems to be what I'm getting, so that's okay with me. This was not much of a plan, I gotta say. And even though, for the most part, I wipe off my tools, and I didn't this time, I like occasional surprises, what can I say? Probably some paint mixed in there. Work for me. Whatever I'm inspired to do at the moment is what I'm going to do. Use that black paint on that spatula. Not hating this. Got a few things in the way, as you can probably hear. I think, weird as it might seem, I'm going to use what's on my spatula up in this corner and see what happens, because I like the variation in shading. That's making me kind of happy. Why not? There's paint there. I'm going over to this edge. I hope I'm not out of your view, but okay, sirrah, sirrah. I'm going to tap a few edges into place. I see as I go along. Scrape off my spatula so the paint that's on it goes down over the side, and it will continue to do whatever it wants to do and sell and so on. I'm thinking, since this can be a video about just about anything I want at this point, I'm going to grab a straw. See what we get. Make some cool curlicues. Maybe. I just realized I said I was going to torch and I didn't. So I'm going to do that now while we still have an opportunity. Actually, I want a skewer, because this is not, whoa. Okay, I got a twofer. One came with the other. I'll take my skewer and use the paint I've got right there and disturb it, because that's my thing, disturbing paint. Back in there. If I want the black that's on one side, I gotta roll it to the side. I don't know what this is, but it's cool and I like it, so I'm not unhappy. Can't expect miracles in a video. I kind of expect miracles already anyway. Take it. I'm going to wipe off my skewer. Use it as a drag tool. Oh, there's the wind. More wiping, please. I'm liking those shapes. Not certain how I feel about these up here. But I can always go back in and do something in a little while. I know, I just wiped them out. That's okay. Try and move this back into your vision. I am going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to scrape that palette knife right off on my wet rag. Looks like a charm. I like the idea of this paint moving that way. Maybe what I want to do, since I never did get enough of that pink, so use what I can see. I'll go over the edge. This is another experiment. It's been a while, like I said. Still not torching like I said I would. Okay, I get distracted easily. Can you tell? There goes my spoon. I am going to pick it up. And I am going to let it run down. You get a different view. There's my straw. There's another straw. Release some colors. Send out some tendrils, maybe. Maybe get around to torching, or not. All right. I'm not seeing a whole lot that I need because that's pretty cool. A little busy. But you have seen strawing and skewering and spooning and a sweep. Not that it's not a pretty busy sweep. And my torch is just perfectly timed to go out whenever it pleases. I want some more of that color. And that's the way it goes. Sideways, pull. Sideways, pull. Maybe I don't need a lot. Just something to make it pop. Draw your eye around to a new spot. Like this in here. I don't think it'll hurt it to have a little something going on in there. Doesn't have to be much. Same with that up there. It's doing its own thing. Actually, it's not doing much of anything, but sitting there pretty. It's a good puppy. Sitting pretty. Blank spot of canvas. What does that need? Probably everybody goes, not much. Sorry, I can't get enough of this color. It just makes me so happy. Wipe that off. Drag that out. Push that back. I have 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Oh boy. Okay, I think that signifies pretty close to being doneness. Because I think I gave myself a minute to start. So good enough. That is what you get for right now. I might change it. I don't think so. I think it's fine. I wish that purple dried darker. It does not. But that's cool. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed making that for you. It's different, and that's good. Bye for now.